Today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own candy patterns. So let's get started. The easiest way to start making candy patterns is to visit candypatterns.com. I would suggest creating an account and then clicking on the button that says Make a Pattern. You'll be prompted to log in again, so go ahead and do that. And then we're going to click on Choose a Pattern Template. So you can see that there's different peyote stitch patterns. There's various different patterns and shapes for perler beads and all different kinds of things that you might need. We're just going to use the basic cuff for this tutorial. So once you're on this screen, you can see that there's various different buttons. First, let's look at the color picker. From here, you're going to be able to pick various different colors and even create custom colors. So I think I'm going to start with an orange first. So just click anywhere off of it to make it go away. So if you click on the paint bucket, you can fill in the whole area. The eraser tool erases, and the paintbrush will fill in individual beads. You have an undo and a redo, a garbage can, and a crop empty spaces. So now let's start with our pattern. So I'm going to choose black, and I'm going to just start clicking where I want those black beads to fill in. So I think for this pattern, we're going to go with a Halloween theme, and I'm going to create some bats. So you can click and drag and it will fill in multiple beads, or you can just click individually. You can also use the eyedropper tool to pick up a specific color you've already used, and then it will default back to that paint brush. And you're just going to go ahead and keep working on your pattern until you're satisfied with what it looks like. Now let's look at some of the options. So you can actually upload images into Kandi Pattern. You can either do them by uploading a URL or a file. I'm just going to pick a file off my desktop to show you how it works. So it gives you a browser, you select the one that you want, and then it will upload the image. Here we go. So I just pulled in another pattern, but you'll be able to position this photo underneath your patterns. And this way you can actually see the grid on top and the image on the bottom, and you can build your pattern on top of that image so you can duplicate it for your cuff. When you're ready to delete it, you can actually click on it and then hit the delete key on your keyboard. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete it, and you just click OK, and it'll go away. They also give you the option to label rows and columns with symbols or numbers. You can create a new file, create from template, download, save, or print. So I'm going to save this. It's going to ask you to name it and whether or not you want it to be public or private. And then now I'm going to show you what it's like to download. So it's going to open in a new page. It'll also give you the bead counts on this page. So I like to right click on this and I will click Save As. And then it saves as a PNG. When you're done, you can just click on Home and it will bring you back to where you can find all your patterns. So you can delete them, duplicate them, or continue working on them here. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. Have a great day.